In this video, we're going to go over triggers. This is an exciting feature because this is another way to automate things in your system so that you don't have to worry about them and your office can run more efficiently. To set up triggers, you're going to log into your system dashboard. So you do have to be a system level user to be able to set up triggers. You're going to go to System Settings, Triggers. And here I have a couple of test ones. I can create a new trigger by clicking on Create New Trigger. I will name it and then set up everything appropriately as I need the trigger to happen. In this day one, this is an example of a trigger I have set up. So I've named this trigger day one. And what this is saying is whenever this new patient appointment type is arrived, 0 minutes after it's arrived, so essentially right when it's arrived, I want the system to automatically upload into the patient's profile the day of new patient appointment task list template. So with triggers, you can have it upload a task list template, send an email template, or send a text message. So you can have it do all three or one or the other, depending on what your need is. So example, a big use case for this is a review request. So you can say after a certain appointment type is completed, I want the system to send a text message asking for the patient to perform a review. Or I want the system to send an email template to the patient. Maybe you have an email template that you want to send out with certain inventory items or certain exercises that you give out, and you send those after you do the report of findings. You can set up an email template and set up a trigger for the system to automatically send that out for you. So again, to get to a task list template, this is also at the system settings. You go to System Settings, Task List Templates, and here you can set up the templates. To get to email templates, you would click on Email, System Settings, Email Templates, and you would create your emails here. And then you would set up your triggers. So you would want to set up your task list templates and your email templates first, because then you can go into the triggers option and select from the drop-down menu the specific template or email that you want to be sent out. You do not have to set up the text message in another area. You would just set it up within the trigger itself. And you can use the same macros that you have for your text reminder. So if you want it to pull the patient's name, you can pull that macro from your text reminder templates and add it here. Or you could just have a generic message depending on what you would like it to say. So again, triggers is just a really neat feature to help automate those functions in your office so that you don't have to worry about minute tasks and details, and the system can take care of it for you and can keep on treating your patients with the best care possible.